Look at your layers panel. It's a digital landfill of layer 1 copy 27 and empty groups that serve no purpose at all. It's a total mess, and honestly, it's making me regret this career path.
Hello?
Oh, so I downloaded this file from the link in the description, but then I intentionally added a bunch of junk layers to simulate the disaster you usually hand off to clients. Thankfully, in one of Photoshop's recent updates, Adobe finally gave us a new feature called Layer Cleanup. So at the bottom of the Layers panel, click on this icon to open the Layer Cleanup settings. And you get two options here. Let's check the first one, delete empty layers. You can also choose to apply it to the selected layers, but for now, let's apply it to the entire document and click Apply. Photoshop hunts down every empty layer, every empty group, and vaporizes them. It won't touch your hidden layers though, don't panic. Cool, now for the part where AI does the job for you. You can panic now. Back to the layers panel, but this time let's select all the layers. Click on the first one, and then shift click on the last one. I found that this way forces the next feature to work on all the layers. Go back to the layer cleanup settings, and now if you check rename layers, set it to selected layers, and click apply, then Photoshop will look at the pixels of each layer and rename the layer to something that actually makes sense, like laptop on leather couch. And just like that, your file almost looks like it belongs to an actual professional, no offense. You now have a beautiful, organized layers panel that will hopefully stay that way for the next 5 minutes.